Hey, what is up everyone? Here is how to report traffic issues on Waze quickly. So for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is just choose a location, say for example, this one right here. And then what you're going to do from this point forward is just tap the Go Now button here in order for you to choose that route. Now, say for example, you are experiencing a particular traffic problem around the area where you are at. What you're going to do is just tap the recenter right here. And then what is going to happen is this one, you are going to see this. I want you to click that over there. And then from this point forward, you're going to go ahead and click the traffic. When you do that, you should have here different options. What you're going to do is select between the three of them. I'm going to choose heavy, for example, and then tap the report button down below. The moment you do that, you should be able to see this red line right here indicating that there is traffic in the area. So it says there 7 kilometers per hour, and that is basically how to get this done, everybody. And yep, that is how you are going to report traffic issues on Waze quickly.